Ada, I'm leaving tomorrow.
I know, the whole village is talking about it.
I'm not running away. I'm going to find a future for us. Promise me the city won't change you.
And when will you come back?
When I have enough to marry you,
I'll wait, but don't let my waiting become a story.
it won't.
One of the problems most people are facing while creating a faceless content is how to make two characters have a dialogue. So here in this video, I want to show you how you can do that perfectly well with Super Grok AI. So for you to do that, first of all, we are going to head over to our Chrome browser, and when you come here, you type ChatGPT because we are going to be using this to create our image. I'm going to click on this voice, enable my, oh, I need to do that on my setting. I don't know why my phone used to say sometime while doing screen recording. So I use the voice over style on the ChatGPT. When you say something, it will now transcript it. So when it generated this first image for me, it was a 9.16 aspect ratio. So I had to tell ChatGPT that I'm using it for a YouTube video. It should make it to be in a landscape format, which it further generated this one for me. This is our image. I'll just go further to download this image. I've already copied a dialogue script. Okay, let me click on this, see details. Okay, this is the image we just generated. So next thing, we are going to be heading over to Grok AI. You can do this on the web browser or on the app. So when you come here, you are going to click on this imagine. When you click on that, you click here to bring in the picture that we just created. It all depends on what you want to do. Okay, so I'll just click on photos, then a lot of pictures. I don't know if, okay, let me dismiss this. So this is the image we just generated. I'll click on done. So when I click on done, I'm just gonna, oh god, why are you shaking? I'll click here again to bring in the picture, guys. Sorry about that. I'll click on done. And so when I click on done, this is the prompt I generated, though it might be too long, all right, but we should be doing it bit by bit. Let me check the part I need to cut off. Okay, I don't know why my phone is not rotating anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna click here. When I click here, this is one advantage of using Grok. So sorry, this is one advantage of using Super Grok. You have 10-second video to create, and also you create in 720 pixels and everything is done. I'm just going to go ahead and click here to create the image, sorry, the video. So while our video is creating, let's head over to ChatGPT and copy another, sorry, the remaining script of our video. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this and copy the remaining part of the scene, just so that we could make at least 20-second video. I'm going to come here, all right, let's click from, okay, let's click from where that said when will you come back, and let's stop here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on copy, and I'll go back to my, oh god, I don't like using this phone for anything. It always stresses me. You can see that the first, okay, you can see, but I don't know if it has generated here. So while we are waiting for that, let me pause and resume when the video is done generating. So
I'm
The
leaving.
whole village is talking about it.
I'm going to extend this video. So when I'm done creating the video, I'm going to save it then play. So For us to generate our remaining script, I'm going to put it here, right? Going to, and when will you come back? All right, so I'll just click here to generate. So after everything, I'm going to play the video for you guys to see. Oh,
Tomorrow.
I know.
this is the best among the best. All right, so let me click here to download. The download started. You can do this for a longer video of 10 minutes. All you need to do just to be clicking on this button, click on extend, add your script, and you create your long video. All right, I think this, okay, still downloading, right? Let's wait for it to finish downloading just so that I could go to my gallery. And guys, I'm dying because of it. We could go to my gallery and watch the video, but I feel like it's okay. Download completed. Download completed. Let's head over to my gallery. Gallery. Here's a video. Let's play and see. It's 20 seconds.
Ada, I'm leaving tomorrow.
I know. The whole village is talking about it.
I'm not running away. I'm going to find a future for us. Promise me the city won't change you.
And when will you come back?
When I have enough to marry you,
I'll wait. But don't let my waiting become a story.
it won't.
Jesus, have you seen how realistic this is? Perfect. Oh god, Grok is the best. Chineke. So this is the video we generated, and this is how you can generate your video where two people are talking, 2 or 3 people, do you understand, are having a dialogue. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, you can also share the video to get to as many person that may need this kind of information. Okay, bye.